I'm doing the Northeast region, and I discovered that the Northeast region has blizzards. Have you ever wondered how a blizzard is created? It's when, it is when freezing rain, sleet, and snow combine and makes a blizzard. Did you know that kinds of damage a blizzard can cause? It can cause windows shattered, trees falling, bunch of snow on cars, flowers and grass will freeze, and snow would cover houses with snow. Do you know to um, do you know where to go and what to do during a blizzard? This is what you should do. Go into your house, get under a table, just in case if windows are shattered and you can be safe. Just to let you know, was just to let you know, a blizzard can last about 5 hours.